Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making some spicy veggie garlic noodles. Guys, this is absolutely delicious and I hope you guys try this one. Alright, this was eaten with some amazing garlic knot as you see there, and the link for that will also be in the description box. So let's jump right into this video. These are the list of the ingredients. So first I'll be adding some garlic salt to my boiling water. And I'll be adding 1 pack of my pasta here. You can choose whichever ones you like. Then after it is boiled to the instructions on the box, we are going to save half a cup of the water, the pasta water, drain and place in the bowl. Alright, we're going to add a little bit of the pasta water there to keep the pasta nice and loose. Then we're going in with the garlic butter parsley mixture, and we are going to mix that in really well. Make sure it is really well combined. Then we are going to add 3 tablespoons of oil to a pan, and you are going to add some sliced onions. Allow this to cook for about 2 minutes on low heat. Then I'm going in with my garlic and my habanero peppers. Now if you do not like it spicy, guys, you can omit the spice, omit the pepper, okay? Add the parsley and some cilantro, and I did add a little bit of basil. Then we are going to add the mushrooms, and we're going to saute this for an additional 3 minutes. Then we're going to add some paprika. You can add some complete seasoning. Then we are going to add some sun-dried tomato here. Give that a good stir. I'm also adding some diced tomatoes, and this one says garlic basil. Then I'm adding some tomato sauce. Then I'm going in with some very good soy sauce. Mix together. Taste, adjust here, guys, the seasoning to your likeness and taste. Alright. Then I'm going in with some jalapeno peppers. Now to my noodles, I'm going to add some sesame oil. Just a little bit. Give that a toss. See how it is really nice and loose. Then we're going to pour that into the garlic tomato sauce mixture, and we're going to toss these noodles to make sure everything is really well combined. The flavor is super amazing, guys, and it takes less than 30 minutes, and there it is. Absolutely amazing and delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe, and if y'all are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you so much for your support, and I see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.